Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to factory reset your LG TV and delete everything off it. So press settings on your remote, then go to settings here. Now when this opens up, let's go on down to general. Go to the right and go to system. Then go to reset to initial settings. Important, resetting will delete all of your account settings in installed app. This action cannot be undone. Do you want to continue? Reset all or reset all except network settings. So you can choose the option right there. So you can stay connected to the internet and install any updates or apps once again. So if you're having a problem with your TV, simply go to that section, or maybe you're reselling your TV and you want to delete everything off it. Simply just go to that option and that will take care of that rather quickly. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech out videos coming up next on YourSixTech.